In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to get the green button in Please Donate. So let's get started. So first of all, to get the green button, you need to make a game pass. So to make a game pass, you're gonna go over to create. Then you're gonna go over to experiences and click on your experience. Then you're gonna click on associated items on the left menu. And from here, you'll have to go over to passes. Once you're here, you're gonna click on create a pass. So you can choose any picture you want and give it a name. So I'm gonna say donation. Then you're gonna give a description, thank you, and then you can click create pass. So once that is done, you can see this is the pass I just created, but right now it's off sale. So you'll have to keep it on sale. So to do that, you're gonna click on the donation button. Alright, donation. And then on the left menu, you're gonna click on sales. You're gonna open this option, item for sale, and then you can give a price. So let's say 100 Robux. And then you're gonna click on save changes. So now pass is updated successfully. Now you can go to roblox.com and go and please donate to see the green button. So I'm gonna search up please donate, experiences. Now wait for it. Alright, so once it is done, I'm gonna go and join the game to show you. I'm gonna wait for it. Alright, so it's about to open. So it's open. Now I'm gonna show you the green button. Alright, so now I'm gonna go and claim a stand and show you the green button which I just made. So let's say I'm gonna claim this stand. And there you go. So that's the green button I just made for 100 Robux, and this is my old one for 10 Robux. So as you guys can see, that's how you create a green button. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.